In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Meta AI on Facebook Messenger. By the end, you'll know how to open Messenger on the web, find the Meta AI chat, and use it for quick answers, content creation, image generation, and a little fun. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search box, type Messenger and open the official Facebook Messenger website. Once you're there, sign in to your account the way you normally do. A stable internet connection helps here, especially if you plan to generate images later. After you're signed in, look for the search bar inside Messenger, usually at the top left of the interface. Type Meta AI into that search bar. You should see the Meta AI chat appear as a result. Click it to open the conversation. If you don't see it yet, make sure your Messenger is up to date. And keep in mind, availability can vary by region or account. With the Meta AI chat open, you can now ask for just about anything. Let's start with content creation. For example, write a Facebook caption about teacher life. Click. Send and wait for the response. If you want the style to match your voice, ask for a friendly tone, add emojis, or request a specific length. You can also ask for a few variations so you can pick your favorite. If the first answer isn't exactly what you want, reply with a quick tweak like make it shorter or add 3 hashtags to refine it. Meta AI can also generate images directly in the chat. Try a prompt like create a cute cartoon teacher in a classroom. The more details you give, such as colors, art style, or mood, the closer the image will match your vision. Image generation can take a moment, and the timing depends on your connection and current server load, so give it a bit of time to complete. While you wait, you can continue typing follow-up instructions or prepare your next idea. And, of course, you can keep things light. Ask Meta AI for a quick joke or a fun fact to brighten your day. It's a handy way to spark creativity or break the ice in a conversation. That's it. Open Messenger through Google, log in, search for Meta AI, and start chatting. Use it for writing captions, brainstorming ideas, generating images, and having a little fun along the way. If you found this helpful, feel free to practice with your own prompts and build from there.